Okay, hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Trades. Hi ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Trades People's Tip. This is what I do all the time and it makes it sound like I'm rushing. Anyway, back to our Vauxhall Mokka handbrake lever release button. There it is, still got one. Ordered it online, and it's got a spring in there. That's the original spring. The new spring that it came with fell out the bag, and God knows where that ended up. Okay, this one, if I can just get it out, let's try and get hold of the spring, keep hold of the spring so that doesn't go astray again. And battle with this, so let's get both out. Right, here's what it looks like. This one is metal, whereas the original one was plastic, so it shouldn't break again, hopefully. Now, looking at this, I can see it goes in that way. Right. There we have a lip, so that should go under there, and then the front should just press in. We don't know how that's going to work out yet, but we're going to give it a go. Okay, under there, this bit here is what presses on here, on this bit here. At the moment the handbrake is stuck on because it's can't release it properly. Basically it can't slide this bit forward because what we think we've done or what's happened, that there you go, needs to be up there sort of thing, so it can be, there you go, now it works. Okay, so if that ever happens to you, that's all you need to do, just get underneath there with a screwdriver and pop it back up. Right, our spring, which is here, has got to go on that little bit there. See that tubey looking there? Spike to get out. It's got to go between there and, where is it? And there. Alright? So it's got to, fit between there and there. I can't do that with one hand holding the camera, so I'm going to fit it on and then come back to you. Remember before I said, if you're going to do this, to get the broken bits out, basically just get your screwdriver in between there, separate the two, and this bit should just slide straight out. You don't need to take it all out of here, just separate it, pull that with a bit of force. It will take a bit to get it going, and that should do it. So we're going to put our spring in now and then try and press this in. It won't go on, hopefully it won't bugger it up. Yeah? See you in a minute. There you go. Yeah, good you can see. Our spring is in. What we've done, we got our screwdriver, just kind of jammed it between the spring like that. Get one end on, we got that end under first. I don't think it really matters which end you get under. Once we get that end, got that end under, then we just maneuver the other one on. So there you go now, it's under. So if we go like that, everything is working fine. You can see our spring, the movement on our spring, pushing it back. Alright, so here we go. Moment of truth. Right. Looking at the shape of it, it shapes just like that. The back of it, if we look inside there, we can't see nowhere specifically, or can we? Where it locates into, just between there, as can think, I think. And the rest of it just press down and clip on. So here we go. Let's give it a go. Put that under there. Front of it seems like it's catching. Push it back a bit. That's it, pressed in, press down. Seems like it's sticking a little bit. Let's see if I can press it down a bit. Yep, it's working. Press it, handbrake's off, handbrake's on, handbrake's off, handbrake on. So that's how easy it is to me. It don't really feel comfortable. Maybe it's settled down a bit, but it works. Or maybe because I'm sitting in the passenger seat. Press the back of it. That's what it seems to stick. Press the back. Now it works properly. Take the pressure off the handbrake. Once the handbrake pressure is on it, or release. Okay. So, from tradespeople's tips once again. Take care of yourselves. If you're out there robbing people, stop doing it, please. Yeah. Till next time on our next video. See you later. Ta-da. Have a good one.